Hi, it's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity. I am going to go through some of my Happy Planner books that are most recent to the what's been out this. I think it's the spring release from Happy Planner for 2024. I think that's what they consider it. It is so pretty. There's so many different books. I have several of them that I'd like to share. I'm going to do this one on the two that I find that I like the best out of the release and the ones that I purchased myself. I am in no way affiliated with Happy Planner. I just like their sticker books mainly. I use Happy Planner planners to plan, but also to memory keep, scrapbook type of thing. But it's mostly that I've got addicted to these types of sticker books because they're just so pretty. I don't know. I can't help myself. I love paper and I love finding out I love stickers too. But I want to share them with you in case you're looking for stickers and you're looking for some planning stickers, but also maybe you just want some decorative stickers for crafting, for using in your planner, but also maybe using in crafting like cards or making projects, or whatever you choose. Anyway, here's the first one. This is Midnight Botanical. This was it just hit me really hard that because I liked it because of the butterflies in it. I'm just going to I'll go through, but as you open it up, you can see there's some really pretty shine. It's got some gold foiling, little specks on some of the pictures. Very pretty. Here you go with some pastel colors. Again, if you're not a planner and you still want to, buy these type of books, I would go for it, but I would definitely find them on sale. I bought some books recently, sticker books at a local crafting store for 50% off. They were literally 50% off. So, if you can find deals like that, it's great. If you actually just want to, buy them for the stickers to like decorate things, don't worry about it. You don't need to use all the boxes or whatever, or cut up the boxes. That's my tip. But look, you got these beautiful words you could put on a card or put on a project. Really nice. Here's some pretty butterflies. Really pretty gold foiling. Some little circles with words. I'm not going to go through like every little aspect because my main reason of showing these is just to show that, like, if you're a paper crafter and you're not interested in stickers, I understand that. Don't worry about it. I just want to show people what's available. There are things like this available. Look how beautiful these butterflies with the flowers are. I'm not going to try to, convince people because I know it can be rough to like buy a lot of things. I am lucky that I can do it, but I do it all on a budget mainly. I just try to buy things when I find them on sale or discounted. Now here's some really cool circles that you could like put sentiments in the middle and use on a card. Very easy. Have it be the central feature of the card. You can even cut up, like I said before, you can cut up these boxes. You don't need to use them exactly this way. But look at this. Look how pretty that is. Again, just really, really cool things to use in crafting. Gold foiling. Totally. And you know what? I know foiling's become a big hit, but if you're not able to buy one of those foiling machines, I admit I have one. I don't hardly ever use it. But if you're into gold foiling, even just getting stickers like this will be helpful. Okay, all these little words. Again, hopefully that's being shown very well. Very nice. Okay, again, boxes and boxes. Great for planning. So if you're into planning, these are really wonderful resources. I like a lot of different sticker books, but these type of Happy Planner books just, I don't know, tickle my fancy. Look at that. It's just so cool. I love it. I love the foil. I hope it picks up the sheen on the camera. It's purple. It's hard to do even with a special machine. Okay, so they give you a lot more boxes. Oh my goodness, look at that. Purple boxes. Really cool. So if you're into memory keeping, scrapbooking, these can be used for that too. You got some washi tape strips. So, I mean, like, I just want to show how versatile these books are. You can have a lot of different uses for them. You use them for washi just on a card, or for, you know, for any kind of crafting project. And even one thing I want to do that I haven't done a lot of is I want to use like stickers by themselves, like, you know, like a butterfly or whatever. Put it on a piece of paper, which seems kind of ridiculous because it's already on a piece of paper. But what you do is then if you put on a piece of paper and you have like a Brother Scan and Cut, you can then cut out that sticker and have it be a die cut. So it won't have to be used as a sticker. It can be glued on to a project. It can be popped up. It can be used in all kinds of different ways. So it's a lot of fun to try to figure out different ways to use these stickers in these wonderful sticker books. Okay, so this one's called Exotic Borders. When I first saw that, I was like, I don't really get what that means, but what it is mainly really pretty, colorful, elegant looking stickers. Okay, I'm using a lot of blues and greens in this, purples. But when I saw this, I was just like, oh, that is so beautiful. Okay, there, you know, again, you could cut this out and just have it be a focal point on a card. Here are some frames. Put in a sentiment in the frame and use it on a card if you want. You just cut off part of it. Really pretty little medallions. Here's some flowers that you don't need. You could cut off the arching saying on there. You don't need to use that. Obviously, you do whatever you want. It's yours. But you can cut things out. If you don't want something, get rid of it. You don't need to use it, right? But if you want the picture or the sticker, use the sticker in a different way than it might be shown. Obviously. There's some hydrangeas. I have some in my yard. Those are cool. More boxes. Again, I'm going through this fast because I just want to give you an idea. And if you're interested in these books, you know, you can go to a store and look at them. I would suggest doing that before you buy them. Like if you go, there are certain ones that are just online. Excuse me, they're exclusively online sticker books, so you can't really look at them first. But if you can look at them first, go to a store and look at them. They're not stuck together like some of the sticker books. Okay, they can be opened up. I would suggest if you're buying a new sticker book, though, to buy one that hasn't been opened up by like 100, you know, 1,000 people, whatever. So this one's got a lot of gold foil, really pretty designs. Again, I don't really know why it's called Exotic Borders, except maybe they're considering these borders of the frames. I guess that's why it's called that. They're exotic looking. So, again, I'm sorry if I'm going very fast. You can look these up on the website for Happy Planner. You might go a little slower when they're when they're showing them, but I just want to show certain books that I'm, you know, really excited about adding to my collection. Yes, I do have a collection. But, you know, if you're a person who likes paper crafting and likes beautiful gold and foil, all kinds of really cool designs, these are things to consider to add, you know, adding to your collection, having special stickers that you can use in all kinds of different ways. Oh, very cool at the end. Some nice quotes or sayings or use them for all kinds of different ways. So those were my two favorite books out of the ones that I purchased recently. I'm going to come back and show some more. And hopefully you like that you get to see firsthand some of the stickers in these books. And maybe you'll want to go look for them yourself. Please, you know, check out some of my other videos. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment if you will. I want to keep making videos. I'm going to have a busy couple of weeks up ahead. My son's coming home from college in a couple weeks. I have my nephew who's probably going to be staying with me for a little bit while he's getting, you know, a brand new job at our museum, which is wonderful. I'm so excited for him. And so we have a lot happening. So hopefully I'm going to keep being able to make these videos and share them with you. So thanks for sticking with me. Have a good day. Bye.